Presenting a pre-owned 2009 BMW. 2009 BMW 335i twin-turbo thrills with timeless style. This two-door convertible has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a transmission. This BMW has less than 87,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Buckle up for the thrill of a lifetime with this 2009 BMW 3 Series 335i. Powered by a 3.0L twin-turbo i6 engine delivering 300 horsepower and 300 lb-ft of torque, this ride is built to impress. Coated in eye-catching platinum bronze metallic with a saddle brown/black Dakota leather interior, it's luxury in motion. With under 87k miles, less than 6k/year, it's barely broken in. Enjoy 17 mpg city and 26 mpg highway. Performance without the pain at the pump. Loaded with premium factory features and backed by a clean Carfax, this 335i is in excellent overall condition. Don't miss out. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.